Good morning. I'm DJ Freedom, and I will be getting ready with two of my favorite NOTO products this morning. So first I'm gonna start with the wash. My favorite part of my face is like this side, this angle. So the thing that makes me glow, other than skincare, probably be good pasta, good food, sunshine. Gotta make sure my favorite side of my face is the cleanest. I love the wash because it smells so good. Like it literally just reminds me of just like waking up and taking a shower outside. Y'all snapped. What's sacred to me personally is my alone time. Without my alone time, I will literally snap and lose my mind. I think taking a step back from the world is like the most radical form of self-care that I take. If I want to retreat, I don't talk to nobody. I don't answer no text messages. I don't pick up no calls, answer no DMs. It's just me and peace and quiet. The serum, the deep serum. Wow.